solve PC hanging problem, press Windows key plus or then type temp. These all are unusual file which is created automatically in your PC, so don't worry about losing your any file. And then press Ctrl plus A, then delete all files and folders. Again press Windows key plus or then type %temp%. And then delete all folders because these all are unusual. Then open Recycle Bin and delete from there also. Then open this PC. Select D drive and then right click on mouse and select Properties. Then click on Disk Cleanup. Wait for finishing this process. Then select Files, which is selected on screen. Click on OK button. Wait for finishing this process. Click on OK, then click on Delete Options. Wait for finishing this process. Click on OK button. Now your PC hanging problem will solved. Subscribe my channel Education by C Boy.